Hello and welcome to this session. Here, I'm going to be talking a little bit about the Salesforce Classic user interface, right? We're going to begin just by looking at the profile, all right? So if you go up here, you can click on this and we're going to look at the settings, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about these options right here. So let's look at the settings. And what you will notice is this is where you can customize your Salesforce experience for you as the user. So you can look at your personal data, you can change your display layout, you can customize your tabs, your pages. Let's take a look at what that looks like. You can obviously see up here we have our ribbon. What I'm actually going to do is add in campaigns, right? And when I click save, you'll notice as we go up here, campaigns comes right up there. You can look at your email, you can look at chatter, your calendar, your desktop add-ins, and you can even import some add-ins, as well as change your password and go through some of this personal information. Right, so that's some of the options that you have here in your settings. You can also look at the developer console, and this allows you to actually look through and run some apps or systems that you are testing out in Salesforce, right? You can put in some code over here and actually work and run some of those things to see how they operate in the Salesforce system. Okay, I'm not going to go into too much detail here. I just want to show you where this is. I encourage you to take a look at it. You can also, in this version of Salesforce, switch to Salesforce Lightning, right? We are operating in Salesforce Classics. So this is where you could easily just switch over to Salesforce Lightning, and you will notice that a lot of this will shift and change. The interface changes as well. So one way to really think about the way in which you want to engage with Salesforce, right? I have shown you a little bit about how you can customize your experience. My advice would be to think about the ways in which you use Salesforce. For example, I use campaigns a lot in the work that I do, and so having campaigns up here in the top ribbon is really helpful for me. How I build reports often, I build dashboards, I add contacts and accounts. However, opportunities and leads are things that are not always in my wheelhouse, right? They're not always things that I work with on a daily basis. So I may want to take these out just for ease. And so these are some of the things that you might want to consider when customizing your user experience. In this next lecture, I'm going to go into some of the nitty-gritties, administrative tools behind Salesforce, and we're actually going to take a look at how we can customize some of these pieces and begin to set Salesforce up for your easy use. I'll see you in the next one.